Introduction to differentiation. The power rule is one of the most commonly used derivative rules. It states the derivative of x to the power of n is n multiplied by x raised to the power of bracket open n minus 1 bracket closed. The derivative of can be shown with a little dash mark. Using that mark, we can write the power rule like this: f dash of bracket open x to the power of n bracket close. This means derivative of x to the power of n is n multiplied by x raised to the power of bracket open n minus 1 bracket closed. So, how to remember this? Multiply by the power, then reduce by 1, as shown. Example: find the derivative of the function where y is equal to x cubed, take away 4 multiplied by x squared, plus x, take away 1. And find the gradient of the curve at a point where x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 7. We know when f of x is equal to x to the power of n, the derivative f prime of x is equal to n multiplied by x raised to the power of n minus 1. So, let's take our function. F of x is equal to y, which is equal to x cubed minus 4x squared plus x minus 1. The derivative dy by dx is equal to 3 multiplied by x raised to the power of bracket open 3 take away 1 bracket closed minus 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied by x raised to the power of bracket open 2 take away 1 bracket closed plus 1 multiplied by x raised to the power of bracket open 1 minus 1 bracket closed take away 0. The dy by dx can be written as 3x squared minus 8x to the power of 1 plus 1. Now let's do the second part, find the gradient. So now we can substitute in for the value of x, and in this case the x is equal to 3. So f prime of 3 is equal to 3 multiplied by 3 squared minus 8 multiplied by 3 to the power of 1 plus 1. This can be written as 27 take away 24 plus 1, which gives us 4.